You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. Unclip the 5 holding latches on the airbox cover. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Lift the flange. Take out the air filter. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. You can now put the new filter in place. Finally, lock the flange with the 5 latches. Operation complete.